Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Sir Kensington's garlic everything sauce. Cue the music. Well, thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you watching. Like I said, we're going to be showing you how to make Sir Kensington's garlic everything sauce. This is a viewer subscriber request from T Honeybee. Thanks a lot for watching, Honeybee. I appreciate it. So we're going to show you what the ingredients are here, and then we'll start putting this together. We got a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, half a teaspoon of rosemary, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic, a half a tablespoon of Ras El Hanout, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. We will talk about what Ras El Hanout is when we get to the mixture part of this. All right, let's go ahead and start mixing this up. I've got my mayonnaise right here. Drop that into our trusty blender. Then we got our milk. Got our lemon juice, got our apple cider vinegar, and we got our rosemary. This is why we're blending it, because the rosemary in there doesn't break up rather well if we just stirred it up in a bowl. So we want to blend all this up like a kind of a salad dressing. So salt and pepper, sugar, we got our garlic salt, or granulated garlic, our mustard in there, and then our Ras El Hanout, which is a Persian seasoning blend, and I will tell you what that is right now. It's got cumin, ginger, salt, pepper, cinnamon, coriander, cayenne, ground allspice, and cloves in it, and it's what gives it its unique flavor. This is on the ingredients list as well on the bottle, so I had to look it up and then make it. So it was kind of cool. I learned a lot of stuff doing this. All right, so there is our sauce with all the ingredients in it. We're going to mix this up in our blender. My oh my, it looks the same. Cool. Still got a clump of mayonnaise in there. Do it again. All right, let's see what this looks like here. Beautiful. Nice consistency there. I'm going to pour it into a bowl. We got some French fries we're going to use to taste this. Sir Kensington's garlic everything sauce. Don't go away. All right, let's see what this tastes like. Holds well to this fry. Good consistency, good color. Give it a bite. Could use a little more garlic. It's got the garlic, but really not enough. All right, let's do a side by side. You can see the color, pretty much the same. Mine looks a little bit looser because I don't have the xanthan gum in there as a stabilizer, like the one in the bottle, to make it shelf stable. But let me give it a taste too, what it tastes like compared to mine. Yeah, definitely a lot more garlic in this one. It's only my third try at making this just like it. But it's really, really close. Really, really close. I always thought there was no such thing as having too much garlic, and they're right, there isn't. If you're a garlic lover, and it does taste like it's got roasted garlic in it too, compared to mine, which is just straight minced garlic. So maybe some roasted garlic in here would be better. because it does taste, now that I tasted it, it does taste a little more like roasted garlic. So that might be the key. But anyway, tea honeybee, I hope you like this. I hope everybody else enjoys it. It is not spot on, but it is really, really close. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to make this for you. Have a good day. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, and the recipe will be down in the description box or in the first pinned comment. Don't forget to look for that. Take care. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul.